Hey guys, long time no see. I know it's been a really long time since I've been on this channel and so much has changed. I have so much that I want to tell you guys about. But gosh, I think what I should just start off with is like what life changes have happened since I've been actively on this channel. Still married, of course. We have another baby, so now we have two boys. We moved, we built our own house. And now I am a birth doula and postpartum doula. I've been doing that for almost 2 years. No, it's been 2 years now. If you're new here, hi, welcome. My name is Catalina Rodriguez. I go by Catalina Lumiere on this channel. And yeah, I'm still trying to figure out like what exactly my niche will be. I mostly do lifestyle, wellness, and motherhood. For today, I am just bringing you guys with me on my journey of organization. This past year was a year of postpartum, and so I was really taking things kind of like day by day and really only focusing on my business as a doula and raising a baby. And now that my baby is a toddler, I feel like I have time now to kind of regroup, reorganize my life. And starting my closet, I need to reorganize like my shoe area and get rid of some clothes. So I'll show you guys a little snippet of that. Any mother would know when you're postpartum, you kind of go through this like change of not so much, yes, your body changes, but even like your style changes. Maybe things that you have in your closet that now fit you again really aren't your style anymore, or maybe they were trendy back then and they're not trendy now and you no longer like those pieces, or those pieces just don't even fit on your body the same. I have so many crop tops that I actually really do still love, but they fall like they barely cover my breasts because I'm a breastfeeding mom. So it's like, do I want to just hold on to that, or do I want to get rid of it? And for me, I think if I wouldn't wear it right now, I would rather get rid of it and then get new pieces that I can wear instead of wearing the same 5 pieces all the time, because those are the only things that currently fit me. I'd rather get rid of what I'm holding onto that hasn't fit me in well over a year and a half and get something that I love and I can wear now. I have so many shoes that I need to get rid of because they're so worn and old. And I'm sure that there will be shoes that I should probably get rid of, but I'm just not ready yet. But yeah, come watch me do this. But first, let's get something to eat. Do not judge me on what I'm eating right now because it's a snow day and we're snowed in. And for lunch, I really didn't feel like making a real meal, so I decided to eat chicken nuggets, but chicken tenders, but they're good chicken tenders. These are the real good chicken tenders. The macros on this are amazing. I think it's just like 23 grams of protein for 4 ounces of it, and it's like 230 calories. It's so amazing macros. So I like to get about like 3 or 4 pieces. That's about like 6 ounces for me. And then I also put in the oven some sweet potato fries. Macros on this are not too great, but you know, it's okay. And that's one thing will talk about in my other video. It's just balance. Because we had a good breakfast and we're gonna have a really good, nourishing dinner. So this is like a fun meal. But I did end up getting 3 of these little wired shoe racks. I got 3 because they're kind of small. And we've got a decent amount of shoes because it's me and Olaf. So I'm going to go through these. I don't want to do this. I'm just being lazy. Just get it done and you'll be so happy. Come on. All right, I don't know if you guys can see me. Okay, so I'm going through, there's so much dog hair, so disgusting. I'm gonna give this bag away. It's not real. It's from our favorite little yellow app. I had it as a diaper bag for a while. My mom found this bag from THK. So I tried it out. I actually really liked it, but now I have so many canvas tote bags. I just don't need this one, so I'm gonna wash it and then I'm gonna donate it. My mom gave me these. They're not really my style, and I don't really like the way they fit. And they say they're a size 10. They're literally like a size 8. That's why she gave them to me. But not my style. These aren't even my size, and they're also wide, and I have very narrow feet. I wore these when I was pregnant, and I was in my last trimester. Literally, these were the only thing that fit me. And they're just so freaking ugly. I only wore them because they were the only thing that fit me. Okay, so this is what I have done so far. These are all the shoes. Seeing them all in a pile is like, what the hell? So, and this is a bag of like stuff I'm gonna give away. And here are my clothes. And then, oh god, there's like that. I still gotta organize. I don't. These I actually really liked. I bought these when I was on my trip to Paris. They had just came out, and now I see them at like Walmart, but I don't care because they're super cute when I want to wear them, but they're so uncomfortable. But I'm sure I'll bring them out. I don't know. I don't think I'm ready to get rid of these. My mother-in-law bought me these for my trip to Paris. So far I'm laying my shoes out, and then I have to go over like these sandals, for example. I love the way they look. They're so pretty, but I've literally never worn them, and I've had them for like 4 years, and it's because this part is so hard. It cuts into your toes. No, I can't. I'm never gonna wear these. As beautiful as they are, they're too painful. These I've worn so many times, but as you can see, it's like peeling here. Right there, they peel, and when I wear them, they peel like back a lot more. So yeah, I think it's time to get rid of these. These I also bought for my trip to Paris. I've worn them so many times after, but they are so worn. You can't even see, but on the inside, like when you put your foot in, it's like torn up to where you can feel the bottom of the sole. Like, we got the Uggos. I love these. Not getting rid of them. These are my Chacos. I'm not getting rid of them. I love wearing these when we go hiking. I've worn these a few times. They're Gianni Beanie Mules. They're really cute. Not very comfortable, but I do wear these when I have like a girls' night out. These are also really cute, but I barely ever wear these just because they're so like tall. So these are a maybe. These we are keeping. These are like one of my favorite pair of boots. I absolutely adore these. I bought these at Cato's. Oh, so cute. Absolutely keeping. I got these at, my mom gave them to me. She got them from Mexico, but I'll hold on to these, I guess, and see where it goes. It's just because she gave them to me. When did she give? Like right before I got pregnant, so I haven't had a time to wear these yet. We've got 2 pairs of Hokas. Absolutely love. Need to keep. Not too shabby. Not too shabby.